Sorry.
Yeah, that's nice, you know. Just if you can please look inside, okay?
Yeah, no.
You come here, you can film.
What do they expect me to put my phone though? Like, seriously. No one's filming in here. I won't even come here again. This is my job, innit? I'm a TikToker. This is my job. I live stream. So no one's filming anyone. I'm filming myself. But it's just the fact that they think that I'm staying in here. I'm just here because she's making me another latte, darling. I don't even like the guy that owns this place. He's from Denmark. I don't like him, man. Because he tried to get rude about me being on my TikTok. This was years ago. I'll cuss his rascal out. I don't care. I'm too famous. Are you going to tell me I can't dance outside? How about you can't dance? This is my... Actually, Grosvenor owns all this. Hugh Grosvenor owns all this land. He's the one that owns it, and he's my mate. So there we go. We have all the billionaires, darling. No one's stuck up, no one's this and that. I'm a normal person. These people are in some dreamland, walking around with materialistics, thinking that they're better than everyone else. Trust me, but when God comes back and strikes, darling, know what time it is, you're all going to be left with nothing, darling. Just like Dubai sinking. Honestly, yes.
Just ask you, literally.
She's just making me the drink.
That's your drink.
Yeah, no, she's making me another one because it was all frothy. I'm outside, I don't film here, I'm filming no one.
You're literally filming now.
Yeah, I'm working, this is my job. I don't even come to this coffee shop.
This is not your workplace though, right?
Yeah, but well, what's this woman doing? What's the difference, man? That's
in my employee's face.
It's not in her face. Look, look, it's not. It's not me. Look at the camera.
Once, right?
For dancing. Look, listen, brother. What's your problem, man? Like, what's he's harassing me? I'm just waiting for a drink, man. You know how much stress I've had, and I'll never come back.
Please don't.
Yeah, you're rude. See, post this all over. I'll tell you what. I'll get all my fans to report this place. Watch. You're so rude. Can you not come so close to me neither? Because I've got a husband, Modine. Mashallah, alhamdulillah. Roots, darling. Free Palestine, innit? Roots, darling. What about that?
Beautiful, beautiful.
Yeah, beautiful, beautiful. Wow, rude. Tell him, yeah? He's so rude, absolutely.
There's a reason why we took you out.
I was dancing. I'm a TikToker. I live here. This is my area. And I know Hugh Grosvenor. I know Hugh Grosvenor who owns this land. Look, and I'm bipolar. I'm not TikToking. No one's filming you, darling. But I'll tell you what, you're all over the TikTok now. Yeah, because... Honest to God, these people... They did a fiver for your stupid latte. You're harassing me, darling. Harassing a woman. You could never do that to me in Dubai. Coming in my face like that. Look how, you know. Stop winding me up. I'm bipolar, sweetheart. I've gone through fair shit, darling. Do not come in my face neither. There you go. You want the camera. You want the spotlight, darling. There you go. Have it. Why is he coming so close to me? Move away from me. He thinks it's funny. Yeah, I will leave. I've got a house just there. What's it like to work in a coffee shop and ask me about being a millionaire, darling? There you go, sweetheart. Don't think you're bad. You don't even have spoons. Imagine paying £4.75 for a latte and you can't even flip and stir it. Look how watery it is as well. Look how watery it is as well. Everyone phone up this place. Watch what I'll do. I'll destroy this business. I don't want to. I don't drink out of plastic. Save them. See, you never, like, who's this guy? You don't know Ali, darling. Watch. Don't think you're bad, you know. You see my guy Ali that comes here, darling. I'm going to tell him about you. Being rude. Piss off. Go and leave me alone. We'll call the police. Go on. Call the police, darling. Dusty guy. You're lucky I don't dash this, darling.
No, where you going?
Get away from me, you dusty, you, darling. Why is he following me? What is it? See this guy, man. Darling, you weirdo. I'll bring mans to you. Leave me alone, darling. Following me, harassing me. Has the trolls phoned you up? Why are you here?
We can't tell you unless you open the door.
I've just been sleeping. I've just gone live as well. Hi.
Sorry, we had to come in, unfortunately.
Alright, okay.
You're going to be arrested, Jan.
For what?
For malicious communications, yeah? Because between February and July this year, you have sent series of social media posts which are grossly offensive.
I haven't sent nothing.
To people of protected characteristics.
No, this is not me. It's a fake account.
And LGBTQ. So
no, I've not said nothing about the LGBTQ. All right, no worries.
Which I like to rely on in court. Anything you do.
I'm stopping it.
Yes, we'll have to take it. The necessity for the arrest is prompt and effective investigation.
I'm gonna get
want to.
It's even worse, man. It's just everything's just bad, guys. Thank you for the gifts. Sending hugs. Thank you, Claire, darling. No one cares, darling. It's alright. Hello, Claire, darling. Hi, Jay, darling. See, I was losing the plot because of everything, and just drank, went to Bermondsey and drank and don't know what happened. And that's because I am bipolar and I don't know what I'm doing, so it's dangerous, man. That's why I always say on here, man, you don't realise, man, I'm bipolar, man. I've got a chemical imbalance. That's why I respect Islam a lot, because they know it's bad for you, innit? But it is what it is. I'm just learning new stuff. Obviously, when I'm drunk, I don't know what I'm saying, so... it is what it is, but... police are not nice, man. I don't know, man. It's horrible. But it's alright, man. I've had worse. I think I'm misunderstood more than anything. I just need a bit of help and support, that's all it is. No one can live it that's been leaked and have police come in every minute, every second they have a malicious call. If I was such a bad person and this and that, no one would even watch me. I'd be cancelled from ages ago. Thank you, John, darling. Yeah, people love causing me in my life misery. They love it, calling up, saying this, saying that, getting my door smashed off, trying to get me arrested, trying to get me kicked out of places, calling up saying this. Do you think that's normal? But I don't act like, I just act like, oh, whatever. But deep down inside, you don't understand how that makes me feel. Because none of you are me. You too busy. Oh, look what's happened with this. Look what... You don't care about my mental health. You couldn't care less. You just want entertainment. All right, you tell me how it's my fault then. You tell me how this is my fault. So it's my fault that I never got in my house. It's my fault that the trolls are trolling me. It's all my fault. I tell you what, you put your... you put your shoes in my shoes and you tell me how you'll handle it. And make sure to do it for 2 years, bitch, with everything that I've gone through. And tell me if you're even still sat in this yard. You would have been gone after, sweetheart. You wouldn't have sat here, darling. Billions of views on social media. You tell me how it'll be like if I leak, you know, darling, if someone leaks your address, it could be any of you. If someone does that, that is the worst thing to ever have done. It's called doxing. It's totally unacceptable. Are you forgetting I have people making accounts with my address? With this, coming in, gifting me, anything. People say my address, just whatever. I don't need to sit here and lie. If I've done something wrong, I've done something wrong. Yeah, I said some terrible things and I put my hands up. I was intoxicated. I would have never said it if I wasn't intoxicated. I didn't know what I was saying at the time when I was saying it. And I was intoxicated. I didn't even know the first, darling. But I will be coming out of here because my safety does matter. You know, my life does matter. Now imagine, like, if the camera's on you every day when you're having an episode and you don't even have bipolar or whatever. You all sit there like you've never done nothing wrong in your whole life, like you're all from an Eve, like you're the perfectest, never smoked, never drank, never done this, never done that, never told anyone to F off, never done this, never said anyone, never said nothing, because you're all so perfect. I need to be like you lot. Pumpkin, thank you. I ain't even got your number, Burris. I'll speak to you, Burris. Send me your number on this account. I love the gatekeeping more than anything. Because they think this, they think I'm transphobic. I don't care about Moody. I care about gay rights. He doesn't give a shit. He doesn't give a shit. Cigar ties all over him. I'm just gonna get myself in more trouble. Are these for me? Oh, listen. Who put these here? Did Grosvenor put these flowers for me? I think he did. These are beautiful. They are mine. I reckon Grosvenor put them here for me. Hi, darling. How are you? I felt them. This is where I met Hugh Grosvenor. He owns this square. He owns. I think he put these here for me because he know I'm walking back. They see everything. They watch me. Everyone knows everything. I don't know. They're beautiful. What have all the flowers, darling? Absolutely. It's a... They're not memorial flowers. It's on the bench, darling. They've been put there for me, sweetheart. By I know who. Now, someone's put these here for me. Okay? Say that again. The benches have names on. No, they don't. Darling, I know the guy that owns the fair, sweetheart. So, what are you talking about? They don't put flowers on these benches, darling. Yeah, you normally get homeless people sleeping on them. Oh, are they memorial flowers? What do I do then? Do I leave them on the chair? But people are going to sit on them. You can't put them on a bench, darling. It's a bench for the public to sit on. So it's whoever got to the bench to get the flowers. I'm taking them. Check the date. I'll just put them back. Don't want to get in trouble again. Where's this lady? She can tell me. Hello, darling. Can I ask you? I found these 2 bunches of flowers on this bench here. Do you think I can take them, or have they? No, because if they've been put for a memorial, they might. Oh, am I going to get in trouble? Because they was just on this bench, but they've got names on the benches. On here.
They've got names on the benches. It might be for someone's anniversary.
Oh, is that what it is? Yeah.
Yes, no, I have seen that before.
Oh, is it? I'll put them back. Absolutely. Thank you. I thought someone put them there for me. I didn't realise. In the loving memory of Peter and Neil. In the loving memory of Neil. I'm putting them back, man. 1 minute.
And you don't open your mouth until you finish what you have in your mouth. Okay? Don't do it. Okay?
Yeah, but I do it because I don't want people to, I want to turn all the men off of me. They don't like
All
me.
the men.
Yeah, I don't want to be like, I want to be just like a tomboy.
But a tom?
A tomboy.
Tomboy.
Yeah, I just want to eat
tomboy?
pizza with my hands.
What is a tomboy? Tomboy.
You know, like, I'm not really ladylike, am I? I mean, I am a lady, but I'm just saying, I'm not, you know.
And we don't understand. Can you say
But
again?
I never went to public school, though.
Tomboy?
Public school.
No, tomboy.
Tomboy, so I used to like climbing trees and stuff, skating on reservoirs. When
I don't understand. Speak English, my love. Like, this is no English. Go
I
ahead.
used to climb trees.
Yes.
I used to make dens. I used to be like very.
What you doing now? I use. And now what you doing? Nothing? Are you just
I'm working. I'm making money.
You're making money.
Yeah.
Making money.
I'm one of the biggest high paid in the UK.
No,
I
don't
make
lie,
more money
don't
than
lie,
hot
don't-
surgeons.
Do not lie. You're on
I'm not
camera.
lying. It's
Yeah.
true.
How much you make?
I make 40k in a week.
4K.
40.
40.
40. I had a big gifter from
He said
Dubai.
40.
He sent me 50 lions and 30 universes in 4 minutes.
50 lions.
Yes.
It is lion. It is a lion.
So a lion's £300 to send a gift on TikTok. And I had 50 lions and 30 universes.
And what else?
Le monde est fou. Mais déchiré, comment on y arrive?
Just money. Thank you, darling.
It has been come.